Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add tax information on Airbnb. If you're hosting on Airbnb, keeping your tax details up to date is essential for staying compliant and ensuring smooth payouts. So let's walk through how to set this up properly. First, open a web browser and navigate to www.airbnb.com/help. This page gives you direct access to your account management tools and settings. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so now. Enter your email address or phone number, click the sign in button, then type in your password and complete the login. This ensures you're accessing the right account where you need to update your tax information. Once you're signed in, you'll need to open your account settings, look at the top navigation bar, and hover over or click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu that appears, select either account or host, depending on what's displayed. This will take you to the main settings area where you can manage everything related to your hosting profile. Now, within your account settings, look for the section labeled Taxes or Tax Information. This is specifically designed for hosts who need to provide tax details for their listings. Click on this section to open it. Here, Airbnb consolidates all the tools you need to stay compliant with local and international tax regulations. Inside the Taxes section, you'll see an option that says Add Tax Info or something similar. Click on it to begin entering your details. Airbnb will present you with a series of fields based on your location and hosting setup. These might include your tax ID number, VIT number, or other jurisdiction-specific information. Follow the prompts carefully and fill in each required field. Airbnb's system is designed to guide you through exactly what's needed for your region, so take your time to ensure accuracy. After you've entered all the necessary details, take a moment to review everything carefully. Double-check that your tax ID, VIT number, and any other information are correct and complete. Small errors can cause delays or compliance issues, so this step is important. Finally, once you're confident everything is accurate, click Save or Submit to store your tax information in Airbnb's system. This finalizes the process and ensures your hosting account is properly configured for tax purposes. And that's it. You've successfully added your tax information to Airbnb. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.